Prep-fill guarded lure connectors provide pharmacists and compounding professionals with sterile devices for connecting drug delivery devices such as syringes. Large finger grips provide secure manipulation and help protect against touch contamination. Individual packaging facilitates aseptic technique. The patented notch design enhances first air over the connection port, and the built-in drip tray design captures stray fluid droplets. To use, simply peel open the package and insert the compatible lure connector while rotating clockwise and pushing down. Repeat the same motion to connect the subsequent compatible device to the remaining free end of the assembly.